Hey y'all,
Hey.
welcome back to Closkitchen.
Okay, hurry up so we can
Today
eat.
we're gonna do something different. We're going to do a mukbang. So we have American Deli. We ordered some fries and some lemon pepper wings with some, what is it called?
The rub instead of the sauce.
The rub instead of that oily greasy thing.
I'm ready to eat.
So look at the size of this wing, y'all. And look at my hand compared to the wing.
We always get blue cheese on the side, but we never use it.
Yeah.
I might use it today.
Yeah. Just to give it something. And then it comes with 2 Sprites. Oh, there's the thing I was looking for. So we went to Walmart, right? For the 3rd time. Looking for stuff that they say it's online and it's not. Every time you walk up in the store and you ask an employee, I don't even know.
And it actually tells you certain stores are out of stock and that your particular store has it. And when you
Wrong. It's horrible. Horrible.
I'm about to try the wing with the buffalo. This used to be our favorite spot, y'all. If you live in Georgia, this is the one off of Jonesboro.
It's
really
good.
good. We haven't been here, according to Google Maps, we haven't been here in 2 years.
2 years.
We used to eat here all the time.
That's our go-to pleasure when we're on the road.
Where we lived, there was a black-owned wing place, so we started eating there. It was really, really good. I can't think of the name. I would tell y'all, but I can't think of the name. But it's black-owned. It's really, really good. It's a hole in the wall, but it's good. If y'all know anything about good food, excuse me, the hole in the walls be the good place. Yeah, that's why we haven't been here in 2 years, because we found him.
I'm gonna try my my wing.
She can give us no straw.
I have straws.
Yeah, he's really, really good. He had rubbed me the wrong way the first time, because he said that his card reader was down, and I had just passed a Wells Fargo. I was so pissed. I'm like, I could have went to the freaking bank before I came here. You want me to use this one or the front one? This one.
This is good, y'all. Crunchy. And I like my wings dry. I don't like it like, I call it from the east, when we were in the East Coast, we call it double dip, which is fry it, take it out of the oil, and
refry
grease
still
it.
on it.
Yep.
Refry it.
Nice and crispy.
And then you put the seasoning coat on the outside of that oil.
So it just sticks to the chicken.
But here, they'll just give it to you like that. But I see they changed. When we bought it 2 years ago, it just came oily.
Oh my God! It just sits in oil.
Yeah. Same thing with that black-owned one, but this one, today they asked us if we wanted rub or sauce, is what they call it.
I like the rub better.
That oil had you burping and all kind of stuff.
But you know what the rub look like to me? It just looks like lemon pepper seasoning that they just sprinkle on top and they call it a rub.
Yeah, she said rub with the sprinkles is what she said. Seriously, she said rub with the sprinkles. When she repeated it back to me, she said rub with the sprinkles.
I ain't got no more ketchup.
Well, I'm going to edit this, so if somebody want to, everybody keep coming around here, swinging around.
I don't know why.
10 million times. That white car, he done came through about 3 times. I think he just trying to show off his little,
Charger.
His little thought cars. We call them thought cars, y'all. Because it'll always be the ones that
loud.
Probably barely got anything in the tank. Just trying to be noticed, not just driving around like everybody else. If you drive one, though, we're not going to judge you. But y'all can't lie. Every time you see a Camaro, a Charger,
they're loud.
Any of those, like, it just be like the most ratchet person.
They want to show off. Why?
They made such a beautiful car look so hood.
And they gotta be gas in it, and you ain't gotta do all that, bro. I see your car. You don't have to do all that.
The blue cheese is the move today, y'all.
Really? I didn't want to touch mine because mine got a split.
What's that, mine?
Yeah. I don't eat from stuff that's open. Cause I don't know what's in there.
I don't even eat skim.
But when it's crispy,
I eat it.
it goes well. This is the what you call it? The flats.
Do y'all like a mixture? Do y'all like flats, or do y'all like drums?
I like the flat. Look at that, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. I'm trying the blue cheese. There we go again. Oh, you got Mercedes. That's why you're showing off. You just
With
got
the temporary tag. I told y'all. I told y'all.
Oh, it's a girl. Y'all, she just swinging by. Look at that.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
All that doggone noise.
And no, we're not hating on their car.
No.
We're just saying they're just loud. She circled the parking lot about 5 times already. She probably just test driving it.
No, she bought it. That's temptation.
I'm saying she just got it, so she damn.
Yo, this is so good. This is what I was telling you with the other place. By our new house, that food was alright, but it wasn't this.
It wasn't crispy like that.
I told you. That's why when you was like, is it good? I'm like, I wouldn't buy it then. But it didn't get me sick. That's a plus. That's always a plus in Georgia, because you would get sick so often.
Yeah, you gotta watch how you eat out.
The crazy thing is now, people don't really eat from the Chinese restaurants and stuff. But Baltimore, East Coast, that's all we used to eat, and I don't think I've ever gotten sick.
Have y'all ever tried fries with ranch or blue cheese dressing? It's so good.
A lot of people eat it like that.
Yeah, it tastes good. Instead of ketchup. This is really good, y'all. Real good. And very affordable too.
Y'all, she had the audacity to come back to American Deli after she done left their last location with the order.
They pissed me off, y'all.
Not today, but
a couple of weeks ago, they pissed me off. So I ordered 2 meals, right? 2 combos. One was with half lemon pepper.
And they charge you for that. You did that.
What did I do? No.
If you did half anything, they're gonna charge you for that.
Oh, I don't remember.
The same way they charge you if you ask for all flats or all drums. That's 50 cents. They charge you for that.
50 cents for each?
No, they boost up your order by 50 cents.
Still, that should not come up to $20-something.
And that rice that you got, you didn't get fried rice. You got shrimp fried.
I got shrimp fried rice. So I call. After I hang up, I call after I call my daughter and I told her what I ordered. It was lunch for us. So my daughter said
12 something per person. I was like, American Deli, you can get that at regular restaurants.
So she said, no, Mom, I don't want that. I want fries. I called right back. Not even 5 minutes after I placed the order. Nobody ain't picking up. I kept calling. I was like, you know what? And remind you, I was right there, like 2 minutes away from the store, like right in the same area. So I show up there and I'm like, well, can you change the order to fries? He said no, the order is already we already did it.
Fries is cheaper than the shrimp though.
It was like, he said oh no, we already it's already done. I can't change it. I said, well, I don't want it. He said, well, I can't change it.
She's terrified, telling me. Because when she told me to tell her, I said, that's not right. They trying to
20-something bucks.
They on you. And the reviews said that too, that they be doing it. They be trying to change the price on people. I said, who spends that kind of money at American Deli?
No, I was like, I can't. I said, I'm not paying that for no food.
I thought she got like a 10-piece or something, because that's how
No,
much a 10-piece
it was a 5-piece each. So
I said, they taxing.
I told my daughter that. My daughter said, just leave.
She's like, but they already walk right on it. What they gonna do? Leave them right there with it.
So I walk right on out, and whenever you call in, they have your number to call you back when the food is ready. I drove all the way home, and they still ain't called me because he know he was wrong.
No, he knew you wasn't gonna come back. You know that area. That area is not bad, but here right now, he like, nah, she fussing with me.
And there was a customer sitting right there, and she shake her head when he told me, no, I ain't changing it. And which is stupid. You ain't changing it, but at the same time, you losing money.
The last time I been there, the girl was at the register, y'all. I guess she saw how small I am. She gonna ask me, when we get our refund checks. I was like, I'm looking at her, I'm like, I just want to place my order and go back to the car. Like, do you know
school
when we
refund
get the
check.
Yeah. I said, oh ma'am, I'm not in school. I graduated a long time ago. So she's ringing it up. She's like, you think we get it like in the next few weeks or something? Like, I've been waiting on this check for a minute, my bad. I said, girl, I don't know. You're gonna have to call up there or something, talk to your school. Like, I don't know. Mind you, we wasn't on no, hey girl. Like, I don't know that girl.
How are you gonna approach a customer and like that? And my daughter is not even her age either.
But I'm small, so I get that a lot. But
Yeah, my daughter is in her 20s. My daughter is not that age. She just looks small.
if y'all only see how they swinging,
Oh my God! Through a parking lot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Georgia be wild. Look, he about to come right back around. I told you. That's what they've been doing this whole time.
Yo, he was doing 70 miles per hour in a parking lot. Where he went? He parked.
He went up that way. He went up that way now. He don't come back around.
Do y'all eat all your chicken all straight off the bone?
Oh,
Like
I
clean
hate
it
that.
out?
Caribbean people do that so freaking much.
I gotta clean.
My aunt used to do that.
No wasting.
She would take it. How you really supposed to eat chicken? But she would take it and just with her teeth get it all in one go, and then eat the bones. Remember, she used to eat the little bone part. Like
she like the bone marrow.
You'd be able to take it. She go. Like,
that's disgusting. Fire truck. Who passed out whilst they eat? And he gonna park right here.
They about to be looking at the camera.
And we're gonna be looking at them.
I be scarfing down my food, y'all.
I see.
I be hungry.
We try the Sprite. Wash all that down.
And then mom was trying to come out of Walmart, but you know, they customers are just like them. The lady gonna push past mom to get into the building.
Remind y'all, that's an exit sign. There's an exit and another one is enter.
From the inside it says that, but from outside it says welcome on both doors. I think they both are entrances.
But regardless, she saw both of us coming out and she's squeezing and she's not small.
There was somebody behind me. Like, there was a whole bunch of us trying to come out
come out the exit door.
But the whole point is that there's two. This is Walmart. There's no way there's just one door. There was another door, not even like 4 footsteps away. She didn't feel like it.
You want more fries?
I'm about to wash this down with a little
No, this one reading his text messages right in front of
I was just about to say somebody making him real happy. So happy that he ain't even looking at the road.
He cheesing like crazy.
That was good, y'all.
I'm still eating. I got 2 more to go. Y'all hear that crisp? Today was a day. You leave your house in a good mood, and once you hit Walmart, it's over. Somebody will piss you off.
That was well worth it.
Yeah. This one is always good.
I don't think we've ever had bad food. It was just always a distance. But we was right over here to get these bins.
And we had to go all the way to Target to get these. Because these same bins show on the app that is in the store. Then
that was another one. Remember we were going to get the totes?
Or the
That's what
totes.
we came there for. $2 totes that don't exist. And then they have these, but Walmart went $20 and Target having $15. That's their normal price is $15. Like, I'm not paying $20 in a doggone Walmart.
Last week we went in there looking for shelves that was $10.
A bookcase.
A bookcase.
The only one they had in there was $89. The one that they still have in there right now is $89. The week before that, we went in there for got to be freeze spray.
Same thing.
Showing in the aisle. Even the worker herself is just like, it's in that aisle.
It's in the aisle. It's in aisle 15. I said I just went there. Look, another fool coming.
Why you gotta be all that?
Making all that noise. Well, then we don't have any then. I think they need a whole class on customer service. No shade to all the workers that work there, but for real, y'all do need customer service. If a customer is looking for something, it only takes a quick second for you to help that customer out. Or stop being so rude. Because half of the time, customers do go and look for the item, and when they can't find it, they come and look for y'all.
Yeah, they be killing me with that when they
tell you to go there.
Like, you think I came here just right after that? I went and looked myself because I didn't even want to bother you.
I'm over Walmart.
She the one that said let's go there. I kept saying, Mom, let's go to Target. And I missed out on the cheaper deal on these. They were $13.50 last week, but she said let's go to Walmart. And we went there, and by the time we got up out of there, because we had went from one Walmart to another one, we tried 2 different locations. And after that, I was just like, I don't feel like going to Target. That's we're 2 females. I don't know about y'all, but we don't play that. Once that 7 o'clock hit or something, the sun is like, you know.
Once the sun starts to go down, you gotta go
home. That's when all the weirdos and crazy people come out. I love that they gave us the dry rub though.
I love
Final
it.
thoughts, because
I love it. It was very
oil
good.
was annoying.
Yeah. It was very good. Anytime I order this, I would like the dry rub.
It's really good though.
So we're gonna get up out of here.
You know, we gotta get home. It's 2:30. We about to
before 3 o'clock.
Race on home before 3.
Cause the highway and
what highway? By our house. It's gonna be lit. The school probably didn't let out. It's time to go. So it's 95 degrees too. It's time to go home.
Yeah, it's hot. So thank you guys for joining us for lunch.
And our rant.
And our rant. So as always, keep cooking, chefs.
I'm gonna see y'all.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see y'all
in the next video.
Bye.